Okay. Good morning to all. Can you hear me? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Good morning.
A very good morning. Very good morning, Joshua, Ezekiel, Jehovan.
Good morning,
A
sir.
very good morning. Everyone turn on your camera. Yeah. So one important announcement is there. If you will turn on your camera, then only I will tell it to you. Okay. Jehovan, Joshua, Ezekiel, turn on your camera, please. Yeah. So so what was I saying? I was saying that um yeah, Monday, as we decided, no, Monday we will have TMA sessions, like TMA answers. So not from Monday, we'll take from Tuesday. Okay. Monday, I will not take that class. From Tuesday onwards, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I guess. I'll complete the TMA of both science and maths. Okay. Have you understood? Yes, Joshua? So be prepared. Come with your diary, I mean rough copy and pen, pencil. So each step you have to write. Do you don't have to skip any step.
So, what kind of copy should we use?
No, for writing as a rough work, like I will give you the answer, you will write it down in a rough copy, na? That there will be no issue with you can bring any no copy. But for making file, for making file in maths, let me confirm one more time because in the previous time I told them one side rule, one side no rule. So they make some confusion. So I will ask first and then I will let it you know for writing in a which page. Biological papers one. Sorry. Oh, okay. My God.
So, um,
Yeah,
in yesterday's exercise, you couldn't get the answer.
yeah. I'll tell you. Eighth one, no? Just give me a second. Let me. Yeah, is this question?
Yes.
Okay. So find the length of the another diagonal. Okay. And the length of the other diagonal. Perimeter of rhombus is given, and length of one diagonal is given. Where is the question? Just give me a second. Okay. Okay. They are doing with Heron's song.
Sir,
Yeah.
will the length of both diagonals of all rhombuses with a perimeter of 146 centimeters be the same?
All
All rhombuses with a perimeter of 146 centimeters, will the length
uh,
of both diagonals be the same?
is it true?
No, it's different. The
I
diagonals
don't
are
think.
different. One is longer, one is shorter.
Yeah, in square it's same,
The total
but
length,
in
one diagonal.
the total diagonal, I don't think so. Because if it is same, then the formula will be d square, no? Half into d square instead of d1 into d2. So there will be chance of having different diagonals. Basically, first we will find, like for example, what the question is saying. The question is saying that if it is like this, if the area, no, if the perimeter of rhombus is given, which is 146 centimeter, okay, and one diagonal is given. For example, this is a diagonal. This is a diagonal having length 48 centimeter. One of its diagonal is 48 centimeter. Okay. So first you have to find side. So perimeter means perimeter of rhombus formula is perimeter of rhombus is equals to 146. So 4a is equals to 146. A is equals to 146 divided by 4. It will become 2. It will become 7 and then 3. 73. 73 by 2 is becomes 36.5 centimeter. This is the side A. A is basically representing side. Okay. Now, basically, there's a relationship that you should know. Relationship of side and diagonal in rhombus. There's a relationship between side and diagonal in the rhombus. Okay. How? The formula is A is equals to side. No. A is equals to d1 square plus d2 square. A square is equals to d1 square by 2. Okay. Yeah. How the relationship came, I'll tell it to you. Okay. Listen, guys. So in the rhombus, you wrote that you wrote that thing, no? Um, you wrote the property, no? What's the property of rhombus? That diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. Yes, they bisect each other They bisect also. Bisect means they cut them into half, equal half, and they make 90-degree also. So it means that if the whole length is 48, then this will become what? 24? Yes? Yes or no? If whole is 48, then this will become 24 and this will become 24. Understood? Yes or no? Huh? Now here I got the side which is 36.5. This is 36.5. Now, is this a right angle triangle? Is this a right angle triangle because 90 degrees in the center? This is perpendicular, base is missing, and this is 36.5. So can I find with the help of h square is equals to p square plus b square? Yes, everyone, are you there with me? Jehovan, Ezekiel, Sam? Okay, because diagonal, yes. Yeah.
In a rhombus, all sides are not equal.
No, all sides are equal. That's why we put a formula 4 into it.
Okay.
But for the area of diagonal, we have to no, for finding the another diagonal, we should know that the diagonal bisect each other at 90-degree, and they both like bisect also like 48 centimeter diagonal was there. Now because they bisect each other, it become 24 and 24. Understood? So now I use the property of the Pythagoras formula because it's making a right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle, no? So because it's making right angle triangle, so I use Pythagoras formula. So I just simply solve. I'm just simply solving it. So h is basically a square is equals to d1 by 2 square, which is 24, and d2 by 2 square. Or simply we'll do one thing instead of writing this relationship. Simply we'll write the value. Like what is h in this question? In this h is 36.5. What is p in this question? P is simply 24 square. What is b? B I have to find it out. Understood? Yes or no?
Sir,
Yeah.
how do you get 24?
See, the whole diagonal was 48. Now, because this diagonal bisected into equal half, so 48 become 24 and 24.
Okay.
Okay, everyone got it or not? Now, simply you have to solve this and you will get the answer. Sorry,
The last point is that I didn't.
this one?
You were explaining something, sir. I didn't hear that last.
Yeah, I was saying the whole diagonal is 48, but this diagonal bisect this diagonal into two equal half 24 and 24. Then when it make a right angle triangle in which the perpendicular is 24 and the hypotenuse is 36.5, when you will get the value of b, whatever the value you will get b, you have to multiply it by 2 because this is half and this is again half, then you will get the answer.
Sir, can you say that again
Understood
one more
everyone?
time?
Huh?
Can you say that again one more time?
I'm saying that in this triangle, this is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular, and this is base. So, with the help of this Pythagoras formula, can we find out base? Okay. And when we get the base, which means that this value, when we will get this value, then we have to multiply it by 2 so that we can get that whole diagonal length. Okay. Yes, Hannah, you got the answer? We have mic value.
22.
So write it down, guys. Jehovan, did you understand Jehovan? No.
What's the answer, sir?
Okay, I'll solve this. I'll solve it. Let me
Sir,
use mine. Yes.
we have to find B also, right? B whole
Yeah.
square.
B. Yeah. No. Only the value of B, not whole square.
Okay.
Okay. Let me use my mind. Then I will tell you. 36.5 into 36.5. Let me check. So it will become 132.25 is equals to 576 plus B square. So 130.25. Here's the answer. Okay, done. Shall I raise this?
Yes.
Tell me when you're done, okay? Okay. I'm raising this. Now, today we'll learn about Heron's formula. Heron's
Can you say that again, sir?
formula. Heron's formula. Heron's formula. Now, listen, guys. Okay. So, for example, if this is a right angle triangle, okay, in which this is 13 centimeter, we'll take easy value. This is 5 centimeter This is 4 centimeter, and this is 3 centimeter. Now, if you want to find the area of triangle, what is the formula for that? Area of triangle. What is the formula? Please tell me. What is the formula for finding area of triangle? Yeah, half into base into height. Okay. Now, in this, what is height? Abigail, what is height in this?
4 centimeters, sir.
Yeah. On what is base?
3 centimeter.
So 3 into 4, and if you will cut it, it will become 6 centimeter square. 6 centimeter square. So why we take this? Because we know that this is height. The side which make 90 degree with the base is basically called as height. This is base, and then we multiplied it, and then it will go 6 centimeter. Now don't write. Okay, for a while, don't write, please. I'll tell you about the Heron's formula. Now, for if for example height is not given, and if only sides of a triangles are given, what is given? Sides of a triangle is given, and the height is not given it to you. Okay. For example, we'll take this triangle ABC, and in this is given that this is 5 centimeter, and this is 4 centimeter, and this is 3 centimeter. In this, there is no height. Okay, there is no height. There is no side which making 90 degree with the base. Understood, guys? Turn on your camera, please. Okay. So now, in this case, how will you find it out? We use Heron's formula. What we use? We use Heron's formula. The Heron's formula is basically root of s into s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c. What is the formula? S into s minus a, s minus c, s minus c. Where a comma b comma c is the sides of a triangle. They are the sides of a triangle, and s is basically the semi-perimeter. Now, what do you mean by semi-perimeter? Okay, semi-perimeter. So semi-perimeter means the perimeter means what is perimeter? Sum of all sides. Okay, for example, what is the semi-perimeter of this triangle? So we'll solve it with a red pen. So what is semi-perimeter? So what is perimeter? Perimeter is basically sum of all sides, like 5 plus 4 plus 3. This is perimeter. And semi-perimeter means half of it. So it will become 9, 12, 6. So 6 centimeter will be the semi-perimeter, which is S. Understood? Yes or no? Still here any problem? Now Heron's formula, we'll use Heron's formula. So Heron's formula is area of triangle is equals to, what is the formula? Root into s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c. This is the formula. Now I have to put, instead of s, I will write 6. So 6 into 6 minus, first side is 5. So 6 minus 5. Then it will become 6 minus 4. And this will become 6 minus 3. Understood, guys? Yes or no?
So,
Any
so
problem? Yes.
A, B, C. So A is 5, B is 4. Is it like that?
Yeah, yeah. A, B, C are the sides. This is A side, this is B side, this is C side. No, it's not compulsory that you have to take A as 5 only. You can take A as 3 also. Anything, any value you can take. But it should be from the sides of a triangle. Okay, understood, guys? So now if I will solve it, so it will become 6 into 1 into 2 into 3. So it will become 6 into 6, and because root pair is there, I will take out one number is from this pair, so it becomes 6. So the area of centimeter, area of
No,
triangle.
I didn't understand the pair thing. What do you mean by that pair thing, sir?
Okay, so if you want to solve root part, okay, first of all you have to make the factors. Okay, and the same like 6 into 6, same factor is there. 6 and 6 factors are there, no? So from this, because they are in pair, out of this only one number will come out. So two 6 is there, out of this only one 6 will come out. So it will become 6 centimeter square. So from this also, we got answer as 6 centimeter square. From this also, we got the same answer as 6 centimeter square. This is called as Heron's formula. Understood? Everyone, write it down. Ezekiel, Jehovan, turn on your camera, please. Ezekiel understood? No.
Yes, sir.
So then we'll multiply 3 2s are 6. So that's how 6 into 6 came.
Yeah. From Tuesday, we will have TMA class, okay? And remember one thing, 22 December, you guys have maths half yearly and science half yearly. And you have time till 30 December. Yes.
We will not be in town like from 22nd or 23rd. Is it possible to give the math paper before?
Before. I'll try my best. Otherwise, when will you come back then?
Um, second or third.
September 3rd of
Second or third January. Maybe.
January 2nd, no?
Yeah.
Um, so you can submit me till the 8th January. No problem.
After we come back.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
If I will not give before, if I will give it before, then you submit me because I will send you personally then.
Yeah, okay.
So if I will submit you before, then submit me uh at the at before 30 December. It's all about your time. But it should be
Okay.
serious, like 3 hours, no going out, no seeing Instagram or mobile, no, nothing is there. Okay, no, brother and sister. Please don't take this pen now. Like this, no, nothing will be there. Okay, you seriously have to sit 3 hours with strictly with mama, and then you have to write it down the test.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Is there cold there, Jehovah?
No, it's not cold here.
Bit cold, huh?
Little bit, I suppose.
Okay.
It's so hot here usually that I'm glad of this slightly okay temperature.
Ah. So where are you in Kerala, no?
Mm.
Near coastal.
Uh-huh.
So the come to North India, then you have to take two jackets. Right
Relatives
now,
in North India. So I've heard the summer it's super hot and the winter it's super cold.
yeah. See, right now, what I'm doing, I'm sitting in that sunlight and just uh, making my like taking vitamin D from sunlight. Okay. Shall I raise this? Okay. Now we'll do one question based on it. So you guys do it first, and then after some time, after 2 minutes, I will start. Now you guys do it. First find the semi-perimeter, okay, and then use it with the formulas, okay? Ezekiel, quickly do it. And then I'll bring my water bottle.
So the answer can come in decimal.
I don't think so. This will come in decimal. Let me check. Camera, everyone.
Can you explain after you do S from A, the
Hmm?
2 into 2 into 7, that part I didn't understand.
See, I did prime factorization. You know prime factorization?
Okay.
Prime factorization is the finding the factor with the help of prime number. So what I did, I just wrote 20. I did the prime factorization of 28. Then I wrote 28 as 2 into 2 into 7. So 2 into 2 into 7, which is 28. Okay. And then 4 can be written as 2 into 2. 3 can be written as 3. And 21 can be written as 3 into 7. So I wrote 3 into 7. Then again, as I told you, pair, I form pair inside the root like 7 and 7. They are in pair. So out of this, only one 7 will come out like this here. Okay. Now this 2 and 2 and this 2 and 2 is pair. Like this 2 and 2 in pair. So out of this 2, only 1 2 will come. This 2 and 2 is pair. Out of this, only 2 1 come. And this 3 and 3 is pair. So I'll just write 3 here.
Just that again.
Sorry.
Can you say that again?
See, in that, when I did the prime factorization, I just make them in pair. So like 2 into 2 is there. So 2 into 2, 1 2 will come out. Okay, this 2 and 2 is there. So out of this 2 and 2, only 1 2 will come out. The same way, this 7 and 7 are in pair. So out of this 7 7, only 1 7 will come out. And this 3 and 3 are in pair. So out of this, only 1 3 will come out. Like this. Okay. Understood, everyone? Abigail? Hannah, why are you getting in this thing?
I made a multiplication mistake.
Okay. Ezekiel?
Sir,
Yeah.
why 2 7s are coming?
I make the prime factors. This 28 prime factors, I make it so that if I will find in pair, so out of this pair, like solving the root, we need to find in pair, no? Whenever you're solving the root, we should find in them in pair. If they are in pair, out of this, only one number will come out. For example, 2 and 2 is there. So out of this, only 1 2 will come out.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Will shall I use this? See, guys, today I'll teach you the long division method also. Okay, how to solve root in long division method. So basically, there are two methods to solve roots. Okay, the roots value. Okay, this is little bit different from the topic which we are going on, but still you should learn for that. For example, there is a question of 729. So there are two ways to solve it. First way is to solve them with a prime factorization. This prime factorization method is only applicable on the perfect square. Perfect square means like if I will take 25 square is 625. So that 625, if you will find root, which you will get 25, then you can do with the prime factorization. But with the random number like 627, then you can't use prime factorization. Then you have to use long division method. So still, I will teach you both method. Okay, no problem in that. So first is 729 is the question. So how will you do it? First, we will find the factors of 729. 729, then it will become what? 243, then it will become, oh, then it will become 81, then it will become uh, 27, then it will become 3, then it will become 9, then it will become 3, then it will become 1. So what I did that instead of 729, I wrote them in pair. How? See, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. How many numbers are there? How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I wrote 6, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Understood, everyone? Yes or no? Now out of this, I will make pair. So this is making one pair. This is making one pair. This is, pair always consists two things. Okay, two numbers. So here 3 and 3 is there, no? So I only from this I make the pair. And out of this, 1 3 will come out. So here 1 3 come out, here 1 3 will come out, here 1 3 will come out. And when you will multiply it, you will get answer as 27. So it means that root of 729 is 27. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Everyone understood? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sam, did you understand? Turn on the camera. Joshua,
Yes,
did you
sir.
understand? Okay, turn on the camera, please. Sam, are you there? Sam, are you there? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Sorry, I don't know.
Did you understand this prime factorization method?
Yes.
Okay, now pay attention in this long division method because I personally recommend you to solve every root value with this method only, long division method only. Okay, don't use prime factorization method because it's limited. It's only applicable in some of the numbers only. But long division method, it's applicable in even on decimals also, even in the decimals also. So how to solve this? Hannah, did you know this long division method?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So basically, you have to make a figure like this and you have to write 729 in that place. Okay. Now from right hand side, you have to make pair. Pair always consists two. So this is 29 will become one pair from right hand side, not left hand side, not from here. You have to start, you have to make pairing from right hand side. Like for example, I make 29 as pair, I make 7 as pair. There is no number is there, so I will write only 7. If number is there, for example, if 2 is written in front of it, then 27 will become pair. But because it's no number is there, so I will write only 7. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Any problem in that? Sam, do you have any problem? Ezekiel, do you have? Do you know Ezekiel this method?
Now I know.
Okay.
Yeah, I know this method.
So
Yes, I know this method.
okay. So now you have to because 7 is the number. First number is 7, no? So you have to do square. So like 1 square is 1, 2 square is 2, 3 square is 9. So 9 is greater than 3. So the first number will come as 2 square. So I will write here.
So 2 square will be 4, right?
Yeah, I wrote 4 here only. No, what happened, Joshua?
You wrote 2.
Where? Where I wrote 2? It's 4 only. No, Joshua, need to change your eyes. Okay. Now what will happen that okay, so 3 square 9 is greater than 7. So that is why I will take 2 square. So 2 2s are 4. Understood? So 3 will come here and 29 will be there. Understood, guys? Till here, any problem? Sam,
Can you do that again?
see, I take 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. So 9 is greater than 7. That's why we can't take 3, we will take 2 square. So 2 square means 2 2s are 4. So I wrote 2 2s are 4. Then if I will subtract it, it will become 3. And because 29 is in pair, so they both number will come on the same time. Okay, then the number which you multiplied here, the same number you have to add it. So if you will add it, so it will become 4. Understood, everyone? Still any problem? I'm repeating again. The number which you
Sir,
multiply
why,
here.
sir? Why do you have to add it on the side as well?
Yeah, because it's a process of doing this question, that the number which you multiply, you have to add it like this. So 2 plus 2 become 4. Okay. And now you have to choose any number from 0 to 9. Any number, choose it. Sam will choose. Sam, choose any number from 0 to 9. I'm not doing any magic tricks, but it's normally we are solving the long division method. Yeah.
So,
Which number?
7.
7. So when you're choosing 7, so 4 is already there. Yeah. So the number will become 47 multiplied by 7. Understood? If you will
Where does the
choose
other 7
5,
come from?
where is the?
Other 7 come from, you said 40. I understand
Yeah,
you,
that's
that
why.
was 45.
that- That's why, like, if you choose 7, na, so it will become 47 into 7, because 4 will go in tens
If
place,
I
and the
choose
7
5, then
which
it'll
you
be
choose.
45 into 5, sir. If I chose
Yes,
5,
if you will,
okay.
if you will choose 5, then it become 45 multiplied by 4. If you will choose 2, then it become 42 multiplied by 2. Understood? Yeah. So 47 multiplied by 7, what's the answer? Let me check. 7 for Thala, 9, 4, then it will become 28, and then 432, 329. I got the perfect value. Thala forever. Okay, so 47, 7s are 329, then it becomes 0. And as I told you, the number 7 you add, na, you multiplied na here, so you have to add it here. So it will become plus 7, which will become 54. So the final answer will be this one, 27. So while doing the prime factorization also, we got answer as 27. And while doing the normal long division method, we got 27. So in both the way, we got 27. So this is how you will solve the roots. So I recommend you personally to use long division method always. Don't use prime factorization always. Instead of that, use long division method. Tomorrow, in the starting of class, we'll do more questions on long division method and some of the decimal sums also. Okay, and then we will move forward. Okay, so tomorrow, not tomorrow, means Monday. So Monday when we will join, so please remind me for doing the roots question first. Okay, understood everyone? Write it down, and if you have complete, then you can leave. And after 4 minutes, we'll start the science class.
Nice, so thank you.
Thank
Yes,
you.
sir,
Bye.
thank you.
Thank you. Bye. 4 minutes break, then we'll have science class.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Okay, guys. Everyone turn on your camera. We'll come back. So we were doing magnetic sector. Yeah. And where we were? Yeah, so we learned about transmission method in which we learned that there are two types of thing is done. Okay, two types of things is done. Okay, cool, no problem, Jason. No need to turn on a camera. Okay. So what we learned that we have two types of transformers are there. First is step up transformer, and the second is step down transformer. So is Sam, can you tell me what do you mean by step up transformer?
It carries a high voltage, say,
So why we do step up transformer? What is the use for it?
so that electricity can pass safely with no risk.
With no risk. So low transformer, step down transformer will also give the electricity, no? Sorry,
Can you say that again?
I'm saying that step down transformer is also giving electricity to the household. So why we
Yes,
need
sir.
to set up transformer in the power station? So that we can send the electricity to a longer distance. Like set up transformer
What
is
do you mean
used
by normal distance, sir?
longer
Oh,
distance,
longer. Okay, okay.
longer distance to give longer distance. No, so for longer distance, because if you will give this less voltage at that time, so electricity will take. I mean, it there will be problems. The problem will be the electricity will not go sufficiently to the one place to the another place because there is no ideal condition. Like there will be some heating issue or some of the electricity got converted, transformed. Okay, so there will be some issues will be there. So that's why we need a good high voltage. Okay, Jehoan, Jehoan, what is the role of step down transformer? Why we
Uh,
need step down transformer? Like,
Step
is
down
it okay to have set up transformer and directly into our houses? Is it
step
okay?
down transformer is a thing that transformer that lowers the voltage coming from the main electric wires to suit it for our houses.
So why do we need that? I mean, what is the use of that to doing step down transformer?
Too high voltage is used with our electrical appliances will catch on fire.
Perfect answer. No problem in that answer. Perfect answer. Good. Good. So yeah, yesterday we learned about step down and step up transformer. So today we'll start from here. So please read, Sam.
If the voltage of a transformer is increased, then the current flow reduces in the same proportion. Thus, by using transformers, we change the electricity to a higher voltage and reduce the current flow. By transmitting this low current, we reduce the loss occurred during transmission. The distribution system is arranged which provides power from the substation to the customer. It involves feeder dis- to how do you say that, sir?
Distributors.
Distributors, sub-distributors, and servicemen. Normally, there are two types of distributor system: free system and ring system.
So basically, what is this? This is basically, if you will see the photo, like this photo, if you will see this thing, you will find it out. There is a electric generation, then step up transformation, which giving electricity to the longer distance. Then it goes to that, and then when step down transformer, and then it's going to the distributor. So distribution system is basically, this is ring type system. Okay, ring type system is what? They give electricity to these chambers. Okay, it involves distribution system is arrangement which provides power to the substation to the consumer. Like from the substation, how it's going to consumer is basically this. It involves feeder, distributors, sub distributor, and servicemen. So basically, you can see feeder and sub feeder. So no need to go deep in this, but simply you just know that this line, which is ring system, is mostly used in the today's distribution. Okay, understood?
Can you say that again?
Ring system is used like it's in the form of ring in which substation are there, sub feeders are there, and servicemen are there, which is used to provide electricity from the power station to the houses. Okay, yeah. So please read this, Joshua.
Uh, households, sir, is it the household circuits?
Yeah.
Household circuits. Till the poles near our houses, electricity reaches to the distribution system. Two wires from the poles come to our houses. Among them, one wire is called as phase, while the other is called as neutral. In the phase
Okay,
wire,
so if you will check to your electric meter, okay, just see the electric meter. No need to touch the electric meter. If you will see the electric meter, then there are two types of wire will is coming in your electric meter. Okay, two types of wire. Okay, if in your house if it is red color wire might be there. Okay, first is red color wire, which is called as phase wire. Okay, which is called as what? Phase wire. Who know electric tester? Who know electric tester? You guys know? Yes, Sam. Do you know electric tester?
Test.
It's type of screwdriver you put in the
so
switch
is it
plug.
testing?
Oh, okay.
Yes,
They put
Joshua.
the screwdriver in the plug.
Yeah, in the plug, and
They
then
put the
they turn
screwdriver
on.
in the plug.
Yes. They put them
Okay.
into screwdriver, and then they um turn on the switch. Okay, when they turn on the switch, then one side they will get electricity, and if they will put another side it will not get electricity. Basically, these are called as phase wire. The phase wire have the electricity. If you will take that electric tester, and if you will touch this phase wire, you will find it out that the bulb inside the electric tester will glow because the phase wire is also called as positive wire. What is called as positive wire, and this positive wire is basically shows us about the flow of electric current, like electric current is there or not. Yes or no? And the phase wire has 220 volt, while there is another wire called as black wire. There is another wire called as black wire. This There is another wire called as black wire. This black wire basically called as neutral wire. What is this called? Neutral wire. This neutral wire does not have any electricity. This neutral wire does not have any electricity. Okay, if you will put the tester and if you will check this black wire, then you will find it out the bulb will not glow. The bulb will not glow. So basically, what happened that the positive wire has electricity, but the negative wire does not have any electricity. And if you use like charger, for example, if you take charger, so you put them in this socket, you put them in this type of socket, like in our household this type of sockets are there. We put charger plug into this. So what happened that if you will, like for example, I'll make a charger for you, like I put them in this, and I join it with mobile. And so how it works that the this black wire is attached to this black wire is attached to this. So let me make the this black wire is basically attached to this, and the red wire is attached to this. The red wire is attached to this and the black wire is attached to this. So what happens that when electricity flows from it, then it goes to the mobile, it's charging it and it's creating a main circuit. This makes a whole clear circuit. So because of that, the circuit is completed, and when the circuit is completed, we can use that appliances. Understood? Yes or no? Guys, did you understand? So this is basically there are two types. Of now there is another wire is also there. It's called as
Sir, did you
green.
say when the circuit is complete, then we can use the appliance? Did I hear that right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
If the circuit is complete, then only we can use. If the circuit, like for example, if you will just connect your charger in the red wire here, if you will connect your charger in the red wire, okay, then there will be no charging of mobile will be there, because one wire is not making the complete circuit. Here you can see that from the meter it's here you can see that from the meter it's going, and then it's going to the mobile circuit, and then it's coming back and it's creating a whole circuit. And when it's making whole circuit, then only the electric current is charging. Understood? There is another type of wire is also called as, it's called as green wire. Which wire? It's called as green wire. Green wire is also called as earth wire. Green wire is also called as what? Earth wire. Now, what is the role of the earth wire? The first, every switch, I'm saying not one switch, every switch first, the first hole is basically called as what wire? The first top of the switch, the plug is called as the earth wire or green wire. Now, what is the use of this? For example, you have fridge. Okay, fridge is made up of which body? Metal body. Now, when electricity is passing through the fridge, there is a problem um, that the fridge can get the on the metal body there will be electric current. For that, we use this wire. Which wire? This wire. Okay. So when you will insert a plug, 3-pin plug. I'm saying 3-pin plug. 3-pin plug. The fridge always have 3-pin plug like this. Okay, the two will go in the middle or the last, and the one will go on the top. And the what will happen that the excess current, which is on the body of the fridge, it will travel to this earth wire. Okay, and it will go into the earth. Basically, this green wire we have to put it into the earth so that the excess current on the appliances will directly go into the earth. Understood? Yes or no? Guys, did you understand? Everyone, Jahoan, Jashron. So basically, we have three types of. Okay, we have three types of wire: black wire, red wire, and earth wire. Red wire work is it's a positive part. It has electric current, and if you check with the tester, the bulb will glow. The black wire, it is a neutral wire. It's in black in color, and there is no electric current in it. So when you will test with the tester, there will be no electricity will glow. And the third is green wire. It's called as earth wire. It's the work of the earth wire is to remove the excess current on the appliances and directly send into the earth. Understood? Yes or no? Huh? And it's green in color. Did you understand? Now, shall we go to the reading part? Okay. Yeah. Please read this. Who's reading? Joshua. Again from starting.
Till the poles near our houses, electricity reaches through the distribution system. Two wires from the poles come to our houses. Among these, one wire is called as phase, while the other is called as neutral. In the phase wire, the voltage is 220 volts, while in the neutral, the voltage is 0, same as that of Earth. It is represented as N. Usually, the phase wire has a red colored insulation over it, while neutral wire has insulation of any color other than red or green. Inside the houses, wiring is done in parallel mode in such that when one lights an appliance in a room, it doesn't affect the strength of current in another room.
So
Households that
basically, we will do this chapter in the coming classes. It's called as electric current. So basically, what happened? Like there are two types of things are there. For example, two types of connections are there, not things. Connections are there. So I'll draw it for you. For example, this is one connection in which this is bulb and it's connected to the fan also, and it's connected to the fridge also. So basically, what is this? If the same wire is connected to the bulb, so the bulb will glow. To the fan, then fan will rotate, and to the fridge, then fridge will also work. Okay, this is the door handle. Okay, but if for example, if bulb stop working because bulb got broke, if bulb got stop because of the broke, like bulb got broke, so because of that, now the electric current will not go continuously to the fan and to the fridge. So it means that the fan and the fridge will also stop working. Understood? Yes or no? Because this got broke. When it will start glowing again, then the electric current will go directly to the fan and to the fridge also. But for example, now you replace the bulb, but the bulb is working, but now the fan got broke. Now the fan got broke. So neither bulb will glow or neither fridge will glow because there is no completion of circuit will be there. Okay, this is called as series combination. What is this is called as series? Like one after one is basically called as series combination. Understood? Okay. Now we will learn about the parallel combination. So the parallel combination is gonna be like this. Just make me. Now in this type of combination, the electric current will go through bulb also, to the fan also, and to the fridge also. To the fridge. So basically, in all appliances, the electric current is basically the electric current got divided. Okay. So now, for example, the bulb start glowing and it's got broke. It's got broke. For example, this is broke. Still, the electric current will go because it will go through fan and make a circuit. It will go to fridge and it will make the circuit. Understood? It's not dependent on the first device or second device or third device like in series. But the if bulb is not glowing, the electric will go directly straight through fan or through fridge. So basically, in our houses, for example, if tube light is not working, so is it like this that fan is also not working and TV is not also working? Is it like this? No, no, because in our house it's not series distribution or series combination, but in our house it's parallel. If tube light is not working, so tube light you have to replace it. Otherwise, the fan and the fridge will directly will work. Okay, it's not depend on the tube light. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Yes. So this is how our work is here. Okay. Yeah. Read this, Joshua.
So the continuation, household circuits, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Household circuits are shown in figure 17.80. We use another wire that has green colored insulation over it, which is called as earth wire or earth connecting wire. All appliances are connected to the earth.
So you can see here that the this is meter and the this is going electricity, and now they are connected in parallel, like fan. This is what I don't know. What is this? Drum. Bulb. So they are connected parallel to it. They are not connected one after one. Because of that, if bulb is not working, still the electricity will flow here from here. Still the fan will work. If fan is not working, still the bulb will glow. Understood? Yes or no? Yeah. Now precaution. Can you read this, Jahovan? How much is left?
Before working with electricity,
We need one more,
one must
please.
ensure whether it is the current.
You have one question, Jahovan?
No, sir.
Okay. Read it.
If electricity is used in a careful and safe manner, it is the largest most convenient form of energy. If one uses it carelessly, it will become lethal. Before working with electricity, one must ensure whether it is AC or DC current. DC of the same voltage of AC is more dangerous. Do not touch electricity supply wires with your bare hands. One may even die due to the shock from current. AC flings a person away while one gets stuck to a DC source. The main switch should be switched off in case of any accident. One must separate a person who has received a current shock with the help of a safe non.
So basically, these are the some precaution that we need to take. Okay, these precautions, like we don't use DC because, as I told you, DC they doesn't have any zero value, and if you will stick to DC current, then you will have lunch with Jesus or dinner with Jesus. So basically, DC current you don't have to play with DC current, but AC current. Okay, I'm not saying AC current, but AC current play with AC current. I'm not saying this. Still, the current is current. Don't play with the current. Okay, and do not touch electric appliances with your bare hand. Okay, always use rubber, or if somebody, for example, if somebody's got sugar, and you just stick to it, then you have to take stick. Don't pull him, otherwise you will get stuck. You will get stuck like this. Okay, because electric current will pass through body to body. No, so this is the some precaution we have to take. Never, like for example, if electricity chamber is there and if it is got fire there. Okay, so don't use water. Use sand or use sand basically. Why? Because water will be conducting. Okay, then you will also get electric current because of that. So these are the some things that you have to take care of. Okay, for the precaution. So I'll urge you to read this at home. This is nothing different or hard is there. So read it. If you didn't understand, then Monday come with me with the doubt. Okay, precaution. So tomorrow, like Monday, we will complete this chapter, and then Friday will we have test. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Tata. Bye bye. Shabai Sayonara.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.